Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How's everything going on? Is it okay? Okay, Merdeka!
Merdeka.
Okay, this morning, in this sunny, bright morning, I'll present one of our collaboration. Me, Mrs. Dian Agustia, the head of IAIKBD, and also one of my students, Arumega Zarefar, and I'll present you one of our work that are already published in Q1 Scopus from the Corporate Governance Journal. This is quite a reputable journal because it's Q1 and it's published on 2024, but it's accepted and launched in 2023. Okay, the title of the article is about the role of foreign board ownership on the quality of sustainability disclosure, the moderating effect of social reputation. So the aim or the objective of this research is to find out and also analyze about how foreign board and ownership have an effect on the sustainable quality of sustainable disclosure, and also we examine the moderating effect of social reputation. Okay. Nowadays, the disclosure of sustainability is very important for all of us. Every stakeholders of the company trying to understand about what is the good deeds that the company make, yeah, in their disclosure of sustainability report. And also, sustainability disclosure is a significant issue nowadays. This is proved by a lot of publications that are concentrate on the ESG, on the CSR, and on the disclosure of sustainability. In fact, the topic of this seminar also about sustainability. So sustainability is an important part of our life, important part of the company's good deeds to all of the stakeholders. Yeah? That's why this is an important issue. I think currently by law, company are required to report their sustainability report, yeah, and disclose all of their activity in sustainability area. Board of directors and board of commissioners also have a lot of impact on their report. Yeah, that's why issue about foreign board and also ownership of the company, foreign ownership of the company, and several issues before have a positive impact on the disclosure of sustainability report, or increase the quality of the sustainability report. Yeah. Why? Because a foreign investor usually already have an already support the sustainability report before in their own home country, and therefore they try to make all of us also do such things so that it will make all of them feel secure and feel more that the company have a good deeds usually the company that have a good deeds have a good governance, and that's why they trust the company. So in this way, reporting a good quality of sustainability report make the company less risk. So this is part that for a lot of foreign investment wants. So they choose a company that make a good quality social and responsibility, yeah, and that makes them trust more toward that company, yeah, foreign company, and this also happened in this research, and it proved that the foreign investment increase the quality of the reporting, yeah, sustainability reporting or sustainability disclosure. Yeah, and also, but still several researchers give us several results. Yeah, it means that why we start this study, because there is still non-conclusive event or non-conclusive decision that come toward this relationship between the foreign investment and the quality of disclosure. So quality of sustainability disclosure for the whole thing. So that's why we try to research in the beginning. Yeah, we try to do the research, this research, and also we examine whether foreign board also have an impact on the quality of sustainability reporting. Because usually foreign board will increase the sustainability reporting. Yeah. But in this research, actually it proved otherwise, because in our research it says that the more higher the percentage of the foreign board members, the lower the quality of disclosure and sustainability report. Yeah. So this is a very interesting phenomena. Yeah. Yeah. And I'll tell you later why. Yeah. And also previous research about this relationship also still undecided. Some of the research says that it will improve. Some research say otherwise. Some research say it doesn't impact the reporting disclosure of sustainability reporting. So that's why we conduct this research, yeah, to prove whether what the hypothesis is still remain or not. And then the new thing that we put into this research, or the novelty of this research, is that we put a moderating impact of social reputation. Yeah. Whether usually a company that bring good social, good CSR or good ESG, they will also have a good reputation. And if they have a good reputation, then their disclosure is usually very good or very high quality. Also, this also have an impact on the usually return of the company, yeah, or price of the stock of the company. So, but in our research this time, we only limited our research whether the company doing the quality of disclosure reporting or not. So, our sample is first and secondary in the IDX. Yeah. Yes. So this is including the mining industry. Yes, agriculture industry, and also in the secondary industry. Yeah. So 1 and 2. Why? Because this is the industry that really have an impact on the environment. That's why we choose that industry. And the result of this research says that actually foreign port, meaning foreign director or foreign commissioner, is not really have an impact, positive impact on the quality disclosure of the sustainability. We have the different result. Actually, the higher the percentage of the foreign port, the lower the quality of the reporting. Sustainability reporting, disclosure of sustainability reporting. Why? Because actually among the 30% or something foreign ownership, they only put 14% of their representative in the board. Why this happened? Because Indonesia have a lot of restriction to put foreign people in the board of the director or board of commissioners. There's a lot of restrictions. For example, they need to have more experience in Indonesia. They need to have a lot of they need to have a lot of experience before. Yeah, that's why this is not this is not working.
The screen can.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
okay.
It's working.
Yes, it's working. You can use this
okay.
pointer.
It's working. Okay, let's see. Oh, which one?
Is it working? The pointer? Oh yeah.
Point over there or point over there?
Over there.
Yeah. Or maybe you can move it from there. Okay.
Yeah. Just move it.
Just move it. Yeah.
The
this
screen.
is the framework. Yeah. I already told you that this is the direct effect of the board toward the quality of sustainability disclosure, and also the ownership, foreign ownership, toward the quality of disclosure with the moderating effect of social reputation. Next. Okay. The first hypothesis, of course, is that the foreign board have a positive impact toward the quality of disclosure, and also whether the ownership, foreign ownership, have a positive effect toward the disclosure of the sustainability, quality of disclosure of the sustainability. And then the third is whether the social reputation have an impact or mediate, give an impact of moderation to the relationship between the foreign board and the quality sustainability disclosure, or I should say QSD. and also whether the foreign ownership, relationship between foreign ownership and the QSD moderated by the social reputation. Okay, next. The methodology is we have 12 years data from 2009 to 2020, and we have 65 companies, I think, and also the set of data is about, yeah, this is, next. Okay. 65 companies along 12 years, yeah, span of 12 years.
12 years.
Yes. And this is the measurement, yeah. We use the GRI 4 and GSI standard according to the year of research. Also, the percentage of foreign board toward total. Yeah. And the foreign ownership is percentage of ownership. And also, this is all I presented in the table, the measurement for this research. Next, the result. Yeah. I think next, going to the regression result. Yep.
Yes, this one.
Yes. The result is that the relation between foreign board and the QSD is negative, yeah. So this means that the hypothesis is denied because we hypothesize that the relationship is positive, but this is negative.
Should be positive,
Yeah.
but it's negative.
Yes, it's supposed to be positive, but this is negative. Why? Because in this research, only 14% of the foreign board members. Average is about 14%.
14%.
Yeah, meaning that the highest thing is 14%. So maybe other company have lower percentage of the foreign board. That's why their voice is not quite big enough to push company doing a good reporting. That's what happened. But on the other way, we could prove that the foreign ownership, this will have a positive impact on the QSD. So this is a good news because their investment made us report better. Yeah. But also, this is only okay. Yeah. I'm so sorry for the technical thing. Okay. Yeah. The result is that, and also the moderating staff also does not apply on the relation between the foreign board toward the QSD, but it proven on the relation between the foreign ownership and the QSD. So social reputation, the higher social reputation, it will increase the relationship between the foreign ownership with the QSD. So that's the result. So what is the implication of this research? Yeah, next.
Next slide.
Yeah, next, I think. Toward the kesimpulan, sampai di kesimpulan. Next.
Conclusion and suggestion.
Yeah, conclusion and suggestion. Yeah. I think what we could see the impact of this research is that the government need to improve or invite more of foreign investor so that they will try to push all of us to do better and then also make us do more good reporting. Yeah, I think that what happened. But this is not only foreign because OJK also asked us to make good actually QSD. So it's the both forces, foreign investor, Indonesian investors, and also the OJK make us practice good corporate governance and practice or good reporting so that a lot of investors see what is the company good things doing and how they report it and how it make all of the investor trust the company more. I think that's, yeah, it's about the trust. Okay.